If you're new to RVing and looking for something that is simple, lightweight, and perfect for weekend getaways, look no further. Let me introduce you to the brand new 2026 StarCraft Autumn Ridge 177 BH. It's everything you need and nothing you don't, and it's ready to hit the road. First things first, this trailer is super easy to tow, and with the durable Magnum roof system and diamond plate protection up front, you know it's built to last. You also got the G20 tinted windows for privacy, stabilizer jacks, and some solid exterior storage for your camping gear. If you're looking for something that's the best bang for your buck at just under 22 feet, this is it. Right when you step in, you'll see these cozy bunk beds tucked in the back corner, perfect for the kids, or even extra storage if you're riding solo. And just next to that, you've got your private bathroom with a tub shower combo and toilet. No more midnight runs to the campground restrooms. Up front, there's a comfy queen bed for the adults with storage overhead and windows on both sides to let in that fresh morning breeze. For meals, you've got a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator to keep everything fresh. The booth dinette is perfect for family meals, board games, or even converts into another sleep space if needed. And with the hardwood cabinet doors, blackout shades, and residential vinyl flooring, it feels modern, clean, and super easy to maintain, even with kids and pets on board. Whether you're looking to get your feet wet in the RV game or just looking for something budget-friendly, look no further, give us a call, or come visit us at Robert Crist & Company RV in Mesa.